Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Ijoma here. I am the AHAF Lifestyle. In today's vlog, I'll be teaching you how you can make natural sugars out of dates. I mean dates sugar. This sugar can serve as a replacement for commercial sugar and you can use it for your cereals and beverages. If you are new here, please subscribe. Also hit the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. Ensure you watch this video to the end to get every bit of how I made sugar from dates. So guys, first things first, you get your dates. Please ensure you have strong ones, not the ones already softened. Now you're going to start pitting them. Pitting it means removing any seed that is found in between the dates. So you open it up, ensure you use a strong or a sharp knife. Open it up and remove the seed. You do not need the seeds for this process. You separate the seeds from the date itself. You continue with this until you have done or you have pitted all your dates. After sun drying the days, these days were so hard and crispy. I gingerly brought out my mortar because at this point I was really scared for my blender. I don't have the funds to start replacing my blender right now. So I wanted to use this mortar to break it up a little bit before I now use my blender to get what I want. So guys, stay tuned. At this point, I thought it was okay for me to now blend. At least it has broken up a bit. I brought out my blender. I transferred these dates into my blender and I'm going to blend them. While I continued to blend, something happened. Can you notice the color change, the resultant color change with my dates? It was beginning to change from white to brown. Guys, this is as a result of moisture. It still had a little moisture inside of it, despite it being dry on the outside. So guys, guess what I did? If I had continued to blend it, it's going to clump up together. It's going to be wet as though it is brown sugar, the conventional brown sugar that molasses have been added to that I use in baking. And I wouldn't get a very fine texture. So I decided to stop blending, pour it out into a jar. If you look very well, you can see that it's clumping together and the seeds are all the texture is still quartz. It's not yet smooth. You can see the way it's looking. So I brought it out and I thought it wise to re-dry it again. Now it has been broken up into tinier bits and it's going to dry very easily. You can see the way it's looking. because I want to get a finer texture. So I gingerly brought out my baking tray and I spread this again onto the baking tray. Guys, I'm going to be sun drying this for another 24 hours. It wasn't even up to 24 hours. I just put it under the sun in the morning. By evening, I brought it in and it was very, 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 very dry before I had to blend again to get what I wanted. Now, notice the way the blender is blasting the whole thing up. It is super dry and it's good enough to be blended. Take a look at it closely. It has a bit of granules, despite being fine. It has a bit of granules, just the way caster sugars look. Once you put it in your beverage, in your cereal, it just melts. Guys, you can use this dates sugar as a replacement for your commercial sugars, the processed sugars, and it gives you the same result. It is naturally sweet. I mean, very sweet. However, also know that for health reasons, if you have any health condition that requires you reduce your sugar consumption, note that this is also sugar, and the only difference is that it is natural, and which the body digests natural sugars faster and easily than processed sugars. So, however, also take note that as you're using this, don't think because it is natural, you should now use it without moderation. Please be guided. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Drop your comments in the comment section. Ask your questions. I'll be glad to clarify it. I have other beautiful recipes linked to this video. You can check the description and click on the links to watch different Christmas recipes and homemade recipes I have on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also share this video. Your family and loved ones would learn one thing or two from this vlog. Until my next vlog, see you. Bye bye.